Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Your iPhone model and iOS version must support CarPlay Ultra, and the vehicle must advertise CarPlay Ultra. Plug in with the correct USB cable or initiate wireless pairing. Do it now while the car is in park. On the iPhone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then allow CarPlay in settings. Once done, accept prompts on both phone and vehicle screen. This establishes the secure connection you'll build on in the next steps. Now you customize the interface for focus and safety. Open CarPlay settings on your iPhone to reorder apps and choose Primary Map app. Make sure split screen is configured so navigation and media appear together. This reduces distractions. Adjust display mode and brightness to match day or night driving and enable haptic feedback if supported. Use Siri for hands-free control, say short commands for directions, calls, or messages, so you keep eyes on the road while CarPlay handles multitasking efficiently. Finish setup by verifying auto launch and reconnect settings so CarPlay starts with ignition. Test key functions. Make a call, start navigation to a nearby address, and play audio to confirm volume levels and microphone routing. If anything behaves oddly, like apps failing to open or audio dropping, first restart your iPhone and the car's infotainment system. If that doesn't fix it, disable and re-enable CarPlay in settings or remove the vehicle from Bluetooth, then repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.